Hi students, we are going to see about the spectrum sharing. So spectrum sharing is something that the new spectrum sharing, that is something that opportunity to innovate. That is, it can enable more efficient utilization and access to the scarce resources. So the blue indicates the licensed spectrum, and purple indicates the shared spectrum, and green indicate the unlicensed spectrum. How the unlicensed spectrums are utilized by the demanded users can be seen using a shared spectrum access. So first one is you are unlocking more spectrum. That is, a shared spectrum can unlock the spectrum that is lightly used by incumbents. That is, whenever the spectrum is not accessed by the neighbors, that is secondary users, not accessed by the primary users. Secondary users lend the spectrum. So high spectrum utilization. So that is something that spectrum sharing has the potential to increase the spectrum utilization. Next is a lot of spectrum may be shared and unlicensed. The FCC recent decision on high demand spectrum include a significant portion of shared and unlicensed. Next, lending the way with Wi-Fi in mobile industries. So these are the two forms lend the way of multi-band of Wi-Fi ecosystems. Example. Next is your pioneered shared and analysis spectrum of 4G LTE. First one is your technically exclusive pilot in France with Ericsson. Second one is we designed that original proposal for committee of LTE. Third one is a performed world first over the air of LAA trial. Fourth one is the founder of Multifier Alliance. Next one is your founder of CBRS Alliance. So LTE is the high performance option of an unlicensed band. So this diagram explains the performance of the unlicensed spectrum. So next it introduces a three-tiered shared spectrum. How the spectrum is accessed. Next is your multiple high performance LTE options can coexist in GAA. Something that it possible to launch LTE and TDD and introduce LBT later. Licensed spectrum, then shared spectrums, it is aggregations, then it is given to LAA, multifier and LTD. Next is your multifier helps the GAA scale to multiple documents, which is something that the multiple deployment shared a wide channel better spectrum utilization. So the highest spectrum efficiency with one LTE, multiple LTE deployment with reduced channel size and spectrum may become under licensed, and multi-fire bricks trunking efficiency for sharing a wide channel on improved spectrum utilization. Next, let us see the potential of high gain of spectrum sharing. So in scenario 1, the LTT over the air sharing performance better than the low to moderate loads, which gains mainly for trunking efficiency with brushy traffic and more reliable TDD. Room for improvement in future. Next, we are pioneering 5G shared spectrum today. 5G new radio, and that is LTE Advanced Pro, which has a spectrum aggregation, technology aggregation, tiered sharing and sustainable unlicensed. Shared spectrum, something that value for wide range of deployments, that is extreme bandwidth by aggregating spectrum. Next is your enhanced local bandwidth. Third one is your IoT verticals. So let us design to take advantage of new sharing paradigm. It has a flexible radio, which is something that is scalable and narrow to wide, and spectrum from sub 6 GHz to millimeter wavelength, self-contained integrated subframes, flexible unlicensed operation, unlicensed aggregation with licensed anchor, which means multi-connectivity, that is LTE, Wi-Fi and standalone with in unlicensed. Flexible spectrum sharing is something that dynamic sharing between deployments technology, enhanced spatial separation with multimeter wave, and solution for new spectrum sharing paradigms. So it is mainly designed for sharing and self-contained integration subframes, Here the unlicensed spectrum and D2D mesh and relay and adaptive control and massive MIMO. This is how it is designed. And opportunities to enhance spectrum sharing feature, that is your licensed spectrum. Next is your mutual fire. Third one is your synchronized access. The green represents operator 1 and the blue represents operator 2. Next is your 5G NR is natively support all different types of spectrum, that is licensed, shared spectrum, unlicensed spectrum. And if you have any clarification related to this topic, feel free to contact me. Thank you.